I'll start budgeting tomorrow. I'll save money next month. I'll figure out my finances after the holidays. Sound familiar? Tomorrow is the most expensive word in your vocabulary, and it's keeping you broke. Every time you push your finances to tomorrow, you're not just delaying, you're losing. That month you didn't save, gone forever. That debt you didn't pay down, it grew while you waited. That raise you didn't plan for, already spent on nothing. Tomorrow feels safe because it removes the pressure of today. You don't have to face the numbers. You don't have to make hard choices. You just tell yourself you'll deal with it later and move on with your day. But here's the truth. Tomorrow, you is not a different person. Tomorrow, you will have the same excuses, the same fear, the same reasons to wait. Tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next month. Next month becomes next year. And suddenly, a decade has passed and nothing changed. The people who build wealth aren't smarter than you. They just stopped waiting. They picked a day and started. Imperfectly, awkwardly, but they started. If this is hitting you right now, hit the like button, drop a comment telling me what you've been putting off, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. The Finance Reset Toolkit makes starting simple. You don't need to figure everything out. You just need to enter your numbers, income, expenses. That's it. The app does the math and shows you exactly where you stand. In 15 minutes, you'll know your real surplus. You'll see your savings potential. You'll have a starting point instead of a someday. And once you see the numbers, you'll wonder why you waited so long. People using this system say starting was the hardest part. But once they saw their situation clearly, everything changed. The fear disappeared. The excuses stopped. They finally moved forward. If you're tired of waiting for tomorrow, tap the link in the description and get the Finance Reset Toolkit today, not tomorrow. Today. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Results vary based on individual financial situations and consistency in applying the system.